This is exercise 19.1.4a, calculating with tables. I'm in the floor plan 19 drawing in the steps lesson 19 folder. I have zoomed in around a square footage table that we've inserted already, and we're going to look at doing some calculations with our table. As with any spreadsheet, you can identify rows and columns by letters and numbers. Columns are letters A, B, C, D. Rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. We can use that to our advantage. We're going to pick once in cell D3. And here, rather than inputting just text, we're going to input a formula. We're going to say equals B3 times C3. In other words, we're telling AutoCAD to multiply B3, the value in B3, times the value in C3. And AutoCAD gives us the answer. Now we're having a little issue with our spacing, so let's increase the size of our columns a little bit. Now, I'll show you a trick. We'll pick once inside the cell that we've already got a formula, and you see this little turned grip over here. We're going to select that, and we're going to drag it down. I'm sorry, we picked and now we're heading down. We're going to pick again in cell D14, like so. And you'll notice that AutoCAD has copied the same formula through each one of those rows. Alright, now let's total our square footage. We'll pick once in the cell we want to put our formula. And here we're going to say equals sum, parentheses, D3 colon, the colon means through, D14. So what we're actually saying, close our parentheses, so what we're actually saying is that we want a sum of adding all of these cells, like so. Kind of neat. Now in our last cell, in our last row, we want to give it an average. We want to average all of the room sizes that we have. So here we'll say equals an average of the same cells, D3 colon D14. Close our parentheses, hit enter, and AutoCAD has given us an average size of the rooms in our house. Just as a follow-up to this exercise, I'd like to point out that most of the formula you get in Excel or the standard spreadsheets will work in AutoCAD as long as you don't get just real fancy with it. Good luck.